The process when using one of our third-party vendors is that we actually set you up with the individual vendor of choice. There are multiple vendors, there are multiple interest rates, there are multiple different types of programs. And so when working with the authority companies to find the right package for you, the right option for loans, the right option for unsecured versus secured, we actually will work with you to partner and to be able to get you connected to the right individual and allow you to explore a few different options when working with those lenders. Again, as we've mentioned, there's no one size fits all, so we want to make sure that you have all of the options available to you, that you make the most informed decision. The connection with those individual services is very easy. A lot of the individual services are now done online, but there's a representative that will meet with you, very much like if you went into your local bank and you sat there and met with the banker. It's very similar to that process. So again, we keep this very simple for you so that you can make sure that you're making the best informed decision.